Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. Allow me to provide you with the step-by-step procedure of how to convert PDF to Docs. So, let's get started. Windows doesn't have any software by default for this purpose, so we are using a workaround method. To convert PDF to Doc, follow these steps. In your web browser, perform a search for ilovepdf.com. On the main page of the website, locate an option labeled PDF to Word and click on it. Click the Select PDF Files button. A pop-up window will appear. From this window, select your PDF file and click the Open button. Once the file is opened, you'll notice two options in the left-hand window. No OCR, this option is for converting PDFs with selectable text into editable Word files. OCR, this option is for converting scanned PDFs with non-selectable text into editable Word files. Choose your desired option, then click on Convert to Word. After the conversion is complete, click on the Download Word button to download the Word file. That's it. Thanks again for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the bell icon and leave your comments below.